Hi, my name is Marcel. I'm a Yoga Nidra teacher, and I'm here to invite you in to this wonderful practice. And hopefully, you will enjoy it and start to love it as I do. So, Yoga Nidra is a guided meditation practice where you lie down, close your eyes, and the only thing you do is relax and listen. But here's what's interesting: your brain doesn't switch off. It enters a specific state between waking and sleep, where brainwaves slow from beta brainwaves all the way down to alpha and theta brainwaves. That's the same state associated with deep creativity, emotional processing, and nervous system recovery. It's said that 30 minutes of practice produces rest equivalent to several hours of sleep. Most of us are running on a chronically activated stress response. Our cortisol levels are elevated all the time, sleep fragmented, mind unable to switch off, even when the body is still. So Yoga Nidra directly targets that. It activates the parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode, and trains your body to drop into deep relaxation on cue. Over time, that becomes your default, not something you have to chase. In a session, I guide you through a body scan, breath awareness, and possibly some visualization. We also have an intention that we set at the beginning to guide you through this whole journey, this whole experience. And then afterwards, I guide you slowly out again. You're not trying to visualize or concentrate. It's just shifting your awareness, following my voice guiding you. Most people feel a kind of heaviness, a warmth, or a tingling sensation. Some drift in and out of sleep. You don't need experience. You don't need flexibility. You just need to lie down and try to follow as good as you can my voice. So whenever you realize that you lost the connection to my voice, that you drifted maybe a little bit into sleep, just come back softly without judging, by being kind to yourself, back to my voice every time you drift into sleep. This practice is especially powerful if you have a busy or anxious mind, if you struggle with sleep, if you feel like you've never fully recovered when you sleep, no matter how much rest you get. It's also used in clinical settings for PTSD, burnout, and chronic pain. The research is growing, but you don't need a diagnosis to benefit. You just need a nervous system, which you already have. If you have been curious but not sure where to start, just press play on one of my journeys. You don't have to do anything right, because you can't do it wrong. Please be kind to yourself. I'm Marcel, I'm your guide. I want love and blessings to you. We see and hear us in the practice.